Ladies and gentlemen, good afternoon. My name is Sanusi K. Buski. I am the managing director for MKD Jazz Distribution and Construction Company.
Okay. There is this land saga on Mechkem. You can tell me what you know about them.
Mechkem na MKD Jazz property. We get documents where we buy this property. Na Sierra Leone Commercial Bank here. As a true patriot of this country, I'm not open for that one and share everything.
We will take what our ways later and just talk. Okay.
Now the property this was bought as a company from Sierra Leone Commercial Bank. Now let's go briefly how this land come about. If you remember, the announcement Mechkem says that a company when we call Bahu Mechkem Construction Company. Now government need them for do the Cambia road for the to Guinea. By then President Kaba and government, SFPB government, bring to power where they are awarding this contract. This company not be do anything for on the road. About 2007 to 2008, the European Union asked government for pay the money back. Say because this money, what they give for make this road, the construction company not do nothing to the road or anything satisfactory. Government be therefore will call for the performance bond and the advance payment guarantee. When they go to the bank not be give, the company not be give to the bank, or the bank not request any performance bond or advance payment guarantee. Will led to the firing of the then managing director, Nasabia Mr. Kake, and the firing of late Mr. Kebe of SLI. That's what this company did. The only collateral will be left to the bank now be this property. This was the only collateral we left. When I remember doing this the saga where the bank get a problem. When they say some people go take money, the former managing director, Nasabita Tendi, yes, Chris Pide, Kabakalu, that problem, Nasagadi. When they say the bank be collapse, we all cover them thing and it. And during that time, the commercial bank when they liquidate, they approach me for this property. And this was changed around 2013, 2014. Okay? And they approach me, we negotiate, and people don't talk to me because by then, all man they say, well, we don't want this bank for them, this is a Sierra Leone bank and we own bank and everything. As a true patriot, I come into the rescue of the bank. I bought this property. As a company, we decide, the managing directors, the other head of investment at the company, we buy this property. When we buy this property, we realize, after we buy the property done, a lot of encroachment. I'm going to keep on the show on this, don't take place. As you say, 47 acres. 47 acre property. What go there? A lot of encroachment don't take place. We can report back to government. The discussion was the area Usain Mechkem own, then the first day, Usain property then day was 15 acres. Now we take that 15 acre there, then government will relocate me to the balance side later. When we go for take the 15 acre with fence, completely fenced, gated, building the inside. I supposed to get the tire, some motor with the left wheel. Everything was looted. Now you bring me to the attention we don't buy, we don't invest. We go police. We go for do special inspection. The first time we were at the place, they lock me at the place. Me and 2 other people, they lock me inside it. I'll be there for call them. I'll be calling the police more than Donkia police station. This was in 2014. When they lock me inside there, me and 2 other people of the driver, the police be there for car. When the policeman came there, before the policeman they begin to talk to me, they don't be servicing that me buy the yes, they don't for me, so that me buy the, then come and talk. You don't know the book is from the all come, say well they know there, they make their living, all man talk. Now I say okay. What's in the first thing I do? I say okay, who know what on there? That they have of makeshift building, something like body and tire pool and everything, all the bookstore. I said I will continue for allowing all the bookstore. I said but yeah, we don't buy a plenty money. I said we will definitely want for developer. I said we say na Sierra Leone like una. We dish out money to community people there for long get a peace. And get a peaceful transaction. Willingly, some man take her, they move out on their own. Some man take them back, they don't move out. Some man don't retake. That's how the chaos begin.
How much money you been dished out to individuals?
Some people don't give by the size of you by far what you get. Some people own 1 million, some own 1.5, some own 2.5. That's what we give. I mean, not be fixed amount for everybody. Okay. We apportion that money there. When you can come out, some come out, willingly move out.
And I was saying this was here.
2014. Then, when we resist to go court, we say, we show document and court keep an order, we will demolish.
So they will let them be deployed to courts?
We got the list, the law, and we provide the list later. And we go court. Some people they ask for them to pull and things them. Meaning they allow them to pull and things them, demolish some. We go to the school, they say for beg. Then we really want to talk to we and we'll get a peaceful transaction. Then come back, after we left them there, then call me, then call some of my other command them. We get a meeting, the Ministry of Lands. Okay? Ministry of Lands, the director will tell and say, if anybody gets paper, let produce them. I say, but as of now, this property belongs to MKD Jazz Company. And in presence, they say they don't get paper. But now, late Konoyema, and say they don't go force, some say that Musa Tayo say they don't go force. And that's how the conversation ended at the ministry. They say, well, the rightful owner, now this company, the rightful owner. We left outside, we move out. We call this pastor, say, well, come, so you can pay rent. If not small money, safe. Now it's okay, they come. Month upon month upon month. Over 6 months, he never showed up. The other time we go there, he said that in property, he don't get documents.
Excuse me, so the first meeting owner gets, they way nobody not produce document, have you see that?
That was late 2014. But in 2015 now, they say he don't get documents, he didn't talk to nobody. We go back in the court. We get people who can demolish. I tell them this.
We don't want to go back in the court. We don't want to go back in the court.
This pastor, I want to other building the way, got the first court paper, we get specific names then. And they know we put an orders. So we went back to court and put this pastor in name.
Where are they? Somebody customer.
Neville or whatever, one like the man.
You get any
For the church.
Yeah.
We get court order. We get court order.
You can show me.
Then we move out. He come back, he say nothing. He never negotiate. Now in property. You don't get paper for them. The minister don't get paper. So, and then negotiate to again. Then, the saga begin. We send workman and they for go work. Also near the church.
Yeah,
The bobo. The bobo. When they go work, then chase them out. And then at airports, when they go for go peaceful work. Then chase them out when they kill one permanent employee them. I don't say some of now. See that number that case there. See the photos there?
And the 24 years of age, what is?
The 24 years of football.
That Ali, that
Ali.
Fitter,
Ali Kaba.
that Fitter.
Not on the feet of this one.
Not for this woman, you became these places.
Yes.
Alright, okay.
Now see how? Now inside the church here, then tie him for hours when they look for him. Police they look for him. Then keep him. The pastor they deny say, nobody know really. You see how they kill him? These are all the pictures.
Okay.
That's what they kill him. This pastor, they hide under the name of church. Under the name of God. And not only pastor, no more, we get some Muslim people in the back. Where them get one pan body mocks. When police investigate, then all handful of people only pardon by prison now because the case they on. Minus this me occupy, don't kill other people in it. Always the pastor name they come up, the church name they come up, they come up. And usually tell when the police tell me say na me compound. If I don't take care of them, if anything happen in me, I go arrest. That's the police are company property. You know, they say you are the head of the company, you'll be arrested. We take this matter serious.
The one thing we pastor make clear when we talk to another time, you know, no one they go court, you know, go court order, and then we just see police then go for said the record straight to
The court order, when I send out to the police and get the court order.
But the police
You
don't
don't
say
get
they don't
a
get
copy.
them. Because the police say na court only show them, they don't give them court order.
That's how court order they come out. When you shoot somebody go to court, okay? The courts they give you the rights. They give a copy to the bailiff, and the bailiff they execute the job. The bailiff, the police is on security. Police are just security to make sure say everything secure.
So you don't get this
Okay.
copy at all.
I will do na copy later. I will get a now about self. After that, we can say no, we no can sit down, we lost the property. Then the worst of it, not to just the structure of the school now no more. The pastor they sell me landed. But people don't sell land to. Sell the land and 50 fata. This pastor now you go all them building out of now the building they will come with the property will buy. Not supposed to say I go build. None. You know, you see buildings if they don't come out, you see like a whole the house like. Now you go convert. This pastor now you go rent them people there. Church ministry, life church ministry, and Abulai Kuruma and Aisata Kuruma, Marshall. We list the place together.
This
As we are
property by itself.
land and host together.
But according to the pastor, he said themselves gonna have the Ministry of Lands. Now the Ministry of Land, this list of agreements for that land, that 1 acre they will occupy.
And according to the document,
I'm not sure of this. I can ask question. What I don't? That present don't know. I can ask question. Against this place here, to other people, look the receipts. We make with them.
So it means the portion we in get when it gets the document for our land state and then the rent to other people.
This now the building them when I tell you that be works yard.
Yeah.
They will have space and this and that time they rent so now they convert to the rent.
Now that 1 acre way.
Within the 1 acre.
It's
Alright, this
not 1 acre. This is beyond the area self where they claim. Like I tell you, me the talk say the place no longer the fence right over, the fence inside fence.
Partially, yeah.
We are journalists, they don't have to tell the fair story. The place no longer also,
Yeah.
the fence inside fence. How can you go, our government will give you land, what fence already?
Okay.
The place they go, and it's outside fence. They go inside there, they take 2-3 property them, they fence them back. They go beyond back, they go build the other property back, you go lease them back to other person. Okay? Now-
Okay.
Listen,
Let me
listen.
get something clear.
NRA, no be sure I pull the money. If I go for go pay for NRA now for state house, they take me money. If I say I'm your state house, I can't pay rent, NRA they take her.
Okay.
Now if I want to pull money in NRA, it's not a problem. But for pay, not a problem.
Sabuski. Let me
Okay, it's like this. You see, not a crime for work hard. Salon, now 7 million plus. Now we are. If one makes salon go before, the law and order must always prevail. And not because you can't have your office and for tell you off. No, the primary thing is the law and order. Like I tell the story, we'll give this man ample time for can fix things with we. But anytime we have time, it cause chaos, it cause confusion, it rent the place, it sell the place. Not saying being one green. There be plenty. Was over 60-70 people then. Someone come see a buyer, this pastor sell give me. Someone can say this pastor say no banda. It's always the pastor. They don't kill people in there.
How many people
Then-
don't die?
then property where you
The million person wey dey work pass that to me na one person.
you know say.
Okay, one person. The other people wey don kill police talk but they don kill over 6 people in there. They don find body parts in there. This pastor dey do things the way not some pastor work.
You
So
know, police
police-
be unreasonable doubt for saying that the pastor, they do such thing of them, because now it seems like they directly put.
As the head of the company, now for only, not only for secure the land, but now for unroot any bad thing wey dey happen there. Lately, nobody no dey there except the pastor. Nobody no occupy the land. Everybody be don go out. Except the pastor.
But other
All-
people and then some other building, they will mix it today.
These people they all say na the pastor put them there. You see, now make una dey ask for the 1 acre, madam. We dey ask for the 1 acre.
Because they say na there.
Okay, fine, but other people know that they scattered outside them. What they say na the pastor. Una say don't go there, they say na the pastor.
They say all that say na there one wounded man and then government will give that side.
People will then demolish them place now, but in some of
I don't show them the property in documents. And I don't tell them I say for the past 30 years or more, na company get am. The fence is secure.
but the major thing is this.
Oh, Matchcam. The word Matchcam, and not just come up to. It come up because of my company. Oh, go there when all the house
Yes,
was
that
bush.
one we are aware of that. And
So
another thing,
how
with
then they
regards-
go inside there? What it belongs as someone else own am. And those are the others that want to be fence. So this are the same fence. Get a perimeter fencing and gate. It's a gated property.
Okay, now let's go another.
I don't show on a document. I don't make the wrong copy. I don't take file number. When I can go now the Registrar General and all of them.
But
I cannot do your own. I cannot do my own
yes,
phone.
likewise also now so we feel say the police, the court order wey dem give you be important because now that I feel say use as a ticket for loan up for the money place.
Yes.
So now one of the important thing the nanny will be expected from which you get. Now we could call you earlier on for tell you so we can. So in as much as now which you will tell me say we provide.
I don't tell you
how soon
say
possible.
the court order will get them for now.
How soon?
Before the end of today.
Then, sir,
Yeah.
intimidate the people there.
Listen, what's the APC level all this? Let's talk, cannot go talk. Why don't we talk?
Another allegation against you.
At the camera,
They
answer
say
this
they use
question.
order from above for
Well, that's
intimidate
every
people
day.
there.
Now the same
So
question
we need to
I
clear that
ask.
side there.
Me, I buy property. You see, for us along go before, we have to be truthful to each other.
Yeah.
What people that they pull their money go invest in other countries, they vex.
But these are the full
I'm
conveyance,
coming.
sir.
Like full conveyance.
Yeah, but the amount you buy the land for the day, sir.
My friend, I don't give you this. You all answer one question. Not say the thing. If you go now, it's the general, go look for the volume 106/751 and this and that. They will give you. I don't show that.
We'll go get photo.
25 page 114.
125.
Page 114.
So what do you feel that the way forward to address?
If everybody agree to that one.
100%.
And as a businessman, if you want the rest of the country for move on. But if you have everything on politicize them, then it's wrong. This country not go before. Me don't live in America for years. Okay? Politics, the fact of the matter is, I get right to belong to any political party. I get right to belong to any football club. I get right to belong to anything I want to do. Now me right as a citizen. But also me right as a citizen. Now for let government protect me back, the police protect me. If I do wrong, the police come after me, the court come after me. These places are open to every Sierra Leoneans.
So, sir, the
So-
accusation above, is that true or not?
It's false.
Okay.
It's not, I don't think like the background. You see, we have to understand. 2014, I'm coming. From 2014, I give this man opportunity after opportunity after opportunity.
Okay, so Sansi.
Yeah.
Okay, now out of 15 acre land, right? Somebody will be reasonable. Go on for ask for say because of the school, or because of the facility them where the waiting on the land, and also because of the church. You're saying white as at least you just somebody white you go see I'm fit for say you go let go that particular portion there because of the school picking them, because of development.
No. You see, if this man come to me, okay, I won't be in the church. He get land. He go help me for sell, or he will give you small portion. That's different story. Like I don't go on the story. If I want take action, if I don't take action, I don't want. These are the third term when they go do demolition. We bought that property. Now we own money as a company. Now we use. We still get family. We got picking them. We got welfare. We got people who employ. This country cannot go before one big company. Now let's small business them. Now SME against country go before. If this man, now a peaceful man, if you don't come, and I get fact we call him border yesterday, and that's what he always do. We call him border, for let him beg me. I get the fact, but I have to use to court.
After the demolition.
When they go for demolish, they call him border and say, they are not making, they go pull and things, say, wait. Not tell him border. I say that the same thing they do. They use different people there. I say, this man sabi me. They don't go paste all over. Not to the first, second, or third. If you want peace, they come. And they use them post picking in there as a shield. You can't do that. If you're not a true pastor, you don't use them picking as a shield. The mark should be there. One point, but the mark said demolisher. This is not about a religious something. Whether you belong to a religion body or not, a religious supposed to be peace story. It's supposed to be in good things story. Good tidings. But if they go forcefully for do the wrong thing under the name of church or a box, it's wrong.
So how recent the court gave us that order? They not wait way.
The school picking them, they're not plenty. They don't like for us saying that book school picking them. Are able as a company, we're able for build school under. Okay, better school. But you don't go take somebody in building where they don't sweat, they don't work for you, go capture. So,
I don't understand.
It's wrong.
It's wrong.
So you really don't want to go back to a table for address this issue, yeah?
Me, we don't do what we do. Okay?
You know,
You see, we as a company, we get right for and we live in. We get right, we want done for pay people who work with we. For us, we have to earn money. If you don't make that investment, no one else think about this. You put yourself on the shoe. Now we shoe. That building they cost a lot of money, a lot of investment. This man continuously, imagine money in one grade, did it? All the other people don't go away. Stubbornly, he refused for negotiate. We don't get time after time after time. Because not because of the church or because of the mosque.
But the court said fail for.
Court, I cannot talk for the court. I'm talking as a company. You know, I cannot talk for the court.
you know, feel say if I don't look for other solutions instead of demolition, because at the moment, Sierra Leoneans, we don't feel say other solutions for don't they besides demolition.
We don't try all.
Like,
They refuse to can negotiate. he refuse to come talk to we, he refuse to come clean. He outrightly refused all negotiation for over 4 years. He just refused. This man don't go say don't make documents. This man they go, not just the church. I don't understand. This man they go take money now, they sell place. They go take money now. They rent the one property one for earn money. What in church they do? I don't show now. What in church they do for go rent property one to you? If a church, he don't get no rights. For go rent property say I'm a pastor. Okay, I could just get it's not yours.
That's the issue. The court before don't decide on that because the man is the document for argue on the issue.
Yeah. Well, let him take it to court.
Okay, then another thing, sir.
Okay, yeah, because of election period, election is coming, it's blaming me, well, I'm an APC, you want to do this. APC is not MKD Jazz. Let me make this very clear and plain. APC is not MKD Jazz. We are a company limited by liability in this country. We are a registered company, we pay tax. We get real rights. Has nothing to do with political party. Absolutely nothing.
Yes.
The same way the courts they give ever invite them because according to ever.
You see, it no matter how I explain to you now, you're not going to understand. The pain.
And that Ebola victims were given scholarship by the said pastor, and now that there is no longer the building there and their constraints, and what did you do in terms of engaging the community people before taking such an action? Because remember, it's not just the pastor being involved here, but also future leaders in Sierra Leone.
By birth. Now I leave. Now the friend living. I don't explain earlier that we go there, we engage them, we give some people the money, they come out willing, so not come out. We don't demolish one pan body mocks. Everybody are aware. We don't go there, they don't lock me at the want to come back, make joke and laugh, make play and laugh. The community are aware. Some community members they call me, say please. Then they get woman and they are, then the first speaking and they are. This property can't take ownership. The police they tell me say I have to take ownership of this property.
So the only way for take ownership now for go do such a demolition.
If not, then we get problem. So many say woman and the person and yet they will get them go inside.
Inside the truck or the
building.
So the only way.
Yes, sir, the police be aware of this thing where they say, sir.
Some of them say the police are aware.
So the only way for take ownership.
And the community people them, now them sometimes they call me. Say do you come? I don't tell you, I don't involve the pastor. I don't involve a committee like take them further now. Because I'm already at the reserve for courts. I don't involve a committee. The council of a bigger property inside it. Alafia, city council of that ward. The chairman of that district and as I call bigger property inside it. Okay? We get a committee where we involve the now chairman there and few other people there for an amicable settlement. For amicable settlement for over 1 year. But who got the settlement? Majority got the settlement. Property shown, they show the evidence. The councillor of property worker. APC councillor. What make them say, oh, it's a decision to work APC councillor. They don't make a news. We work APC councillor. And as I call, now the district chairman for APC, I work in property. They don't make news. This is not anything about bias. It's not about politics. If a policy of don't jump to a level as I call you, I left this one. No.
So if I may ask, sir, Alassane Cole be produce any documents for
Alassane Cole say na Konoye Masele go build. Okay, the council same thing say that can London and ICBC compound Konoye Ma let's Konoye Ma they say that the ministry say. Nobody don't show document. And that church here we don't let them openly they can negotiate with we. All we want for that probably pay small amount of rent and not come for this. He refused.
You don't think so if he can negotiate with you that will give you edge over him?
If not on your own, that's on your own. There's a two sides of a coin. Whether it be the head or the tail, that's it. You cannot manufacture something else. I tell you now, this property, it gets a fence. I want to close up now. It's not to extend us until 2 years. It's over 30 years period.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir. You said,
Yes, sir.
yeah, you said the pay off people for me them go reside other side.
Yes.
You get the evidence now as a kind of receipt or you get.
I don't get none now. I don't go to the lawyer. I just come when I call me. Say, you know, so like a 1 hour business. Yeah. I just let follow somebody or rush come. Follow can solve. Let me just put my voice out there.
And the pastor not be involved in this negotiation. You will not be getting any copper.
No, I refuse. For negotiate period. The only time when they negotiate and they go to do so this being said, I make this evidence I keep up. Now where he call the pastor and wife, they call him young brother honor you, member of parliament. You see, anything you do, you get the post and come. I am a patriotic. I get more people who pay scholarship for passport in another school. Okay? We'll just take millions of dollars spent at Victoria Park. We allow school picking and they can Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday free. Different scholarship there. We get picking them we don't pay. We get schools them, come and poor schools them, we go to green and candy free. We get things that we do. I give scholarship, I build school on my 91. My mama not come papa not come me say not come. I set up NGO when the war begin at this country. I left America 1999, 2000. Me one of the first people who have certificates for patriotic Sierra Leone. I marched in America where they over 2 pack about. They don't say na APCO. I march. Now me as the chief organizer. I don't bring senator the Canada. I bring congressman the Canada for let work come on here.
Now, Mr.
I'm coming, please. Okay. This is what I've done for my country. I have records of what I've done. If I come home, I dey work, I dey help, nobody can take advantage from me. This man is like a man where one can bully me in my own country because of the name of church. I will not allow it. I'm really sorry to the parents them, to the picking them, where a little bit display per school and the parent them. But me self therefore take action for their own life too. Let that thing not go up today. And I make people go and to school tell.
Yes.
Of the settlement of everything.
I forgot school. They not go.
This will be settled.
How?
Whatever.
How will it be settled?
It will be settled. The picking them. They get school around. We can place them as school them.
Now, why is this time?
Yes, I understand. Okay. This is second time. We can accommodate more people there. And for now.
Is that a promise or an assurance?
Or two.
For now.
So for now, I want to tell them thank you. I'm really sorry to the parents them and the picking them. And we don't send team there now. We want to take the names them of the picking who are affected. So go help for put them in the school until we put up a building.
When they're not free of charge and they go to that school,
No, not so free.
No, they get 100. No, the man say they get 100. Then they get 100 the way they pay.
Thank you.